Welcome, here I've got RugGear RG655 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here. So let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, we have to slide to the left to get access to more options about the camera. And now let's pick this button with camera settings at the bottom, so we can open some more advanced camera options. And here we have volume key function, so when we tap here, we can decide to use this as zoom, shot, which is now, or volume. Now let me change this to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera. And now let me try to use these buttons once again. As you can see, I can get closer to my subject and also go back by tapping on the volume buttons now, so I can use zoom. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.